Hi guys, I'm currently here at La Bella Boutique, Tagaytay. And nag-book kami actually ng isang room. I'm not quite sure, pero ito yung the standard room na walang balcony. And this is located in Alfonso, Tagaytay. So ito yung place, kararating lang namin ng 2 p.m. So check-in is 2 p.m. and then pwede kayo mag-check out on 12 p.m. So meron kayong mini living room dito. Meron ding dining room, mini dining room. Meron ditong kitchen amenities. Ito yung mga provided nila. Meron thermos. Ayan. Pero walang microwave. But merong mini refrigerator for your drinks and stuff. Ito yung pintuan nila. Super cute kasi naka-arc. Parang mini Santorini vibes talaga. And for the view naman ng window natin is ito lang. We are in 3rd floor. So ito yung view. Ito naman yung ating bedroom. So naka-queen size bed tayo dito. Meron side table, pero nilagay ko lang dyan since wala akong tripod. And this is the view naman for outside view ng bedroom namin. Meron ditong closet organizer. Meron ditong mini vault. Ayan, meron tayong hanging dyan, closet. And then, meron mini mirror dito. Lastly is yung bathroom. Meron yung shower. Ayan, meron tayong bathroom amenities. Provided nila to ha. And, ayan, mirror. Anong tawag doon? Anong tawag ng lababo? Faucet, diba? So, dito kami kakain sa La Merceditas Kitchen. So, dito kami nakapwesto. And nabigyan natin ng service water. And yung place, super nice. Super cozy lang din. So, dumating yung order namin. This one is yung fish and chips. Chicken burger nila is may kasama ng side na fries. Beef pepper steak. So, ayan yung portion niya. Super bango at the same time. For our drink, umorder ako ng peach mango. Ito yung itsura niya. This is worth 190 pesos. And for my boyfriend, umorder naman siya ng strawberry lemonade. This is what it looks like. Tikman natin itong beef pepper steak nila. Rate ko sa beef pepper steak nila is 7.5 out of 10. Kasi medyo maalat siya for me. Ikaw?
9.
9. Bakit?
Wala sa.
So, ito yung drink na para makikipagpalitong. Mas masarap yung kanya. Bakit gano'n? So, titikman ko naman yung chicken fingers nila. Ito yung itsura. Pero mas juicy yung chicken nila. May tartar sauce. So, ititip ko lang siya. Ang sarap. So, the last one is titikman naman natin itong chicken burger nila. This is what it looks like. This is worth 250 pesos. Tikman na natin siya. Ganyan kalaking chicken nila in fairness And meron na siyang kasamang cucumber, tomatoes, lettuce, and meron na silang special sauce din. So, in fairness, hindi na siya dry. So, very worth na siya sa price. Crispy ng fries nila in fairness. Crispy pero medyo kulang siya sa salt pero okay na. Nakatapos na namin mag-dinner and so far so good. Limited na lang namin ubusin yung food, pero super worth it dun sa what's the name? La Mediterrace? I forgot the name.